Welcome back, Fiat fans. Today we're heading up to Cleburne, Texas for Vick Autosports' 40th anniversary party.
Hey, Marshall.
They have tasty grub and cervezas for us, and some prizes to give away, awesome cars to check out, and of course great camaraderie. So let's meet the owner of Vick Autosports, Jerry Phillips, and give a little tour of the shop.
This is the boiler room. So this is the nerve center of Vick Autosports.
Right.
I've always loved the idea of it being a nerve center, right?
And your wall of wheels.
The wall of wheels, there you go.
These always fantastic. Man, I really like these.
Aren't
These
they
are
great
some of my
looking?
favorite. If I ever get my Scorpion going, I definitely got to get some of these.
Yeah, they come with a little Scorpion center cap.
Yeah, well, that's cool.
Very sharp. A lot of people call this a Panasport knockoff. If you'll notice, these are beefier than this Panasport. The spokes are more beefy. It's a more masculine wheel. Well, it's a different design than the Panasport altogether, in fact. They've been great sellers, really popular.
Yeah, these are all 15 by what?
15 by 7s. And they're double drilled, so they can fit a Fiat
Oh, right, yeah.
Spider or an Alpha Spider.
Well, what do you want to show me, Jerry? We got lots of good parts in
We're
here.
finished.
Yeah, we're done.
No,
Tour's over.
this is just the fastest moving parts are in the air conditioning here, and plus items that don't take the heat wells, for example, gaskets.
Right, yeah.
You know, things that you don't want to put out in the hot warehouse.
All your rubber parts and stuff. Yeah.
Exactly. And then back here is just the older part of the warehouse, about 2/3 more of the building. Most of the stuff we bring in now come in pallets and in containers. That's one of the little car we're kind of playing with now. But anyway, that's a hot part of the building there, but that's for metal parts and stuff like that.
This hood right here, this is actually from Vick, right? From Robert?
That's from Robert Vick's X19 race car. Absolutely correct, sir.
This X19 is this one?
Gosh, I don't know.
Class winner in 1984.
If you know, drop it in the comments below.
Yeah, you got lots of good art in here too, man. All the posters and stuff.
Yeah.
Well, the tour of the shop has been great, but let's go check out some of the cars. Well, I'd really like to thank Jerry and the Vick Autosports family for putting on a great party. I hope they don't wait another 40 years to do it again. Thanks for watching. Hit that thumbs up button for me, and if you aren't already, please subscribe.